Here's an overview on how to do approvals through customization of Centro and Salesforce. In this example, we're working off an opportunity, but it can be any object within Salesforce. Once that object is posted, we have two buttons called Approve and Decline. When I click the Approve button, it's going to pop a Centro form that asks me for the status and some comments. These comments can be made by a non-Salesforce user and will update a field in Salesforce. This is going to edit this opportunity. Additionally, it's going to post a message to the thread letting me know that this approval was made. And also, if you notice really quickly, the approval status changed and the description changed, including those comments that were made. Let me give you a quick overview on how that is managed in Salesforce. So it's done with two flows. First is a record triggered flow that is fired whenever the approval is submitted. In this case, it's when a stage changes in the opportunity, but can again be anything within Salesforce. This should look familiar. It's the send notification message. It's going to send them that post to Slack. On the buttons here, we have an approve or decline button. Those are customized with the label. Both are linked to this approval opportunity form that allows the user to edit the opportunity record, and that is edited through the automation user. Once the approval is processed, this is just a record triggered flow on the change of the approver name. So once that gets populated, it then finds where that opportunity is linked and sends a quick message based on a text template that says who approved it. If we go finally to the Salesforce record, if I just do, you can see here I have a status, a description, and approver name. If I refresh that record block, you'll see here that those fields are now populated based on the way that form was entered. Approval status, description, and name. This can then be used with other Salesforce flow elements such as locking records, etc. Please reach out with any questions. Happy to help further.